The toxic haze shrouding the Indian capital, Delhi, spares no one. But its children are counting the biggest cost of the city's worsening and recurrent pollution problem. Nowhere is this more evident than at pediatricians' clinics. The BBC visited one such facility in Noida, near Delhi, on a weekday morning a few days back. In a packed waiting hall outside the doctor's consulting room, anxious parents stood in line with children sneezing, coughing, or complaining of breathing difficulties. Most started falling ill in October when the capital's air quality dipped to hazardous levels and waiting times for doctor's appointment had stretched longer than usual. Toxic air is a recurring problem in Delhi and across parts of northern India during the winter.